If you want to work faster and create clean design in Illustrator, then these 5 tips will change everything, and most designers don't even know they exist. I'm Darren Goddard, and today I'm going to show you the 5 tips I use every day to improve my designs while working in Illustrator. They're fast, simple and easy to apply, so let's get down to it and jump in. Live gradient controls is a great way of looking at your design and actually adjusting it in real time. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, you need to click in shape and you go to window, down to gradient, and then you can select your gradient from here, and then we'll make it a radial gradient, which is this middle button. So what you'd normally do is you'd adjust things here, which is okay, but you can't really get fine adjustments here. If you go over to here, you get the gradient button here, and now you've got this slider, and you can change the angle, change the intensity, double click, change the colors, wait for the plus button to add new points, double click again and change the buttons. As you can see, this is a lot better. You can actually work on your design and see in real time what you're adjusting, rather than just relying on the standard gradient tool over here. Next thing I want to show you is the gradient mesh tool. So we'll select our object, we'll give it a fill of black, then we'll go over to the tools, and just above the regular gradient tool we just used, you've got the mesh. So now we can actually click points and then add colors. Go up to our palettes and add different colors. Add another one here, select another color, and then we can move these points around, change them however we want, add more points, and if you hold down Alt or Option, depending on what operating system you're on, you can delete the points. So we'll add another one here, and we'll pick a purple, and there we have it. You can see you can actually make some quite nice designs there. Great way to push your design to the next level is generate your own patterns, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So if you haven't got the patterns window open, you need to go up to the window menu, go down to pattern options, and you get this dialog box come up. So now you can generate patterns. So you can put a prompt in here what you want. So we'll put red and blue blocks and hit generate, and you'll get 3 options. It will take a little while to do because you're going to the cloud with the AI model, and it will just generate the 3 options, and you can pick which one you want and see which one you like. You see it's building it up now. Start to get a bit of a preview, and then we have it. Now you can select which one you like, and you'll see it will come up here. And then you can draw a shape and it will fill with that pattern. Great way to make your designs unique. Generating vector files is something I use in my designs all the time, and I'm going to show you how to create them now. So the first thing you need to do is get the generated fill up. So you can either do it down here in the menu on this little icon here, or you can go up to the window menu and go to properties. I've got mine docked here so it's open from over here. And then we hit generate vectors. This dialog box then comes up. You've got the model you can pick. I'll stick with 4 because it's the latest one. This is where you add your prompt. You can change the subject, the icon or scene depending on what you want to create. You can change what detail. It will take longer with maximum detail. You've got style references, effects, color and tone. If you want me to go into more detail with this dialog box, then let me know in the comments and I'll make a video for that. So for now, I'm just going to generate a vector. So I'm going to write slice of pizza. It'll give you options as well, but for now I'm just going to keep it at that, and then I'm going to hit generate. Now it's working to create this. Once again, it's gone to the cloud, so it will take a little while, but we should then get 3 options. As you can see down here, we've got 3 variations generating, still working its way through, and it won't take too much longer. And there we have it. We've got the pizza now. So we click on it, we get the 3 variations. So we can click on them and change it to what variation we want, or we could generate a new prompt depending on what we want to use it for. This is very handy when making your own designs. If you want this tutorial in a PDF format, then comment PDF in the box below and I'll send it over to you. This is great for when making logos because you can take text, place it into a shape to follow that contour. Let me show you how. First thing I'm going to do is select the text tool, just type my logo. I've got that now. Now I'm going to create the ellipse. I'm just going to make an ellipse shape. One thing you have to make sure is that the actual copy is larger than the shape and it's on top. So I'm just going to make that larger by holding down Alt or Option and Shift depending on what operating system you're on. Place that over the top, select them both and then go up to Object, envelope distort, make with top object. As you can see, the text is now inside the shape and following the same contour as it. I'll put a link above and in the description to a video how to place images inside text and shapes. Now we're finished with our logo, we need to export it, and we can export individual items rather than exporting the whole artboard. So what we need to do is go up to Window, then we need to go to Asset Export, click on it and drag it into this panel. We can then rename it, we'll call it Logo, hit return, and then we can change the format, and you can see them listed here, the options available. But for this example, we'll stick with PNG and we'll hit export. Then we've got to navigate to where we want to put it. So I'm just going to put it on my desktop. We'll hit choose and it's exported successfully. This is perfect for social media assets. So we'll now go to the desktop, hit the space bar on the Mac for a quick preview. Then we can open it up in Illustrator. So we'll do a right click. And then we have it. We've opened it up in Illustrator, the PNG we exported. Like I said previously, this is perfect for social media assets. So that's it, 5 simple tips you can apply to improve your designs in Illustrator. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials, and check out the other ones on my channel. Click the video here for some more productivity tips. I'll see you there. Thanks and keep creating.